travel professor. Here, where am I? Where in the world am I? I'm on the Uto Ni Yalo. What does that mean? Uto means head, Ni of, Yalo spirit or mana or power. I'm on the Uto Ni Yalo. It's a big vaka or a big wanga, big boat, big canoe. That's a double hull canoe, and it's here in Fiji. It's a great experience. I'm a sunset cruise, leaving from Vunda Marina, go out into the Mamanutha waters for about 2 hours. So that in the two hulls they make maximum use of all the space. The two hulls have actually 8 bunk beds on each side. So 16 berth altogether. You can have a sleep in here, the crew. It's 22 meters long and 6.5 meters wide.
Any questions, just fire away.
Alright, here I am controlling the rudder and trying to go straight. But as we can see, it's powered by the sails. It also has the solar connected to power the lithium batteries. We try to use less fossil fuel as possible. But sometimes when it's no wind, we have to go to the engine. Alright, I'm here with Koroi, he's part of the crew. I've got 2 questions for you, actually 3 questions. One is, when did you join?
Joined in 2019.
And why did you join?
Because I have never experienced the traditional way of sailing. When I grew up in my village, there was already motorboats. Yeah. And then the Uto Ni Yalo came there, which was really interesting. And I saw the operate. And Mr. Colin Phillip gave me a chance to sail on the Uto Ni Yalo. So that's when I started.
Yeah, great. Fantastic. And you're enjoying it?
Very much.
Alright, thanks, Corey. I'm here with Bedeli. He's crew, as you can see. 2 questions. Bedeli, why you want to work on the Uto?
Firstly, I came here as a labor crew. Secondly, I'm enjoying as a crew on board, learning further things as a traditional sailing vessel. Yeah.
Okay, so that's really, it sounds like it's a revival of or interest in the traditional ways, the traditional sailing methods. How important is it for, say, for tourism and for it's okay to start to know some of the indigenous ways and the traditional knowledge?
Many of us, it's okay nowadays. We only use engines, mostly engines, to go from point A to point B.
Yep.
This canoe brings us to look back from where our ancestors came from, to use our natural resources that is around us, using the winds, the star, the sun, to navigate us from one point to another.
Excellent, and I think this is going to be. I mean, you moved to Vunda to also maybe attract the tourists to come and come on the boat. I think it's, you know, this type of indigenous tourism is really important, and I think as tourists really want to see these type of tourism. This is going to be a growth area. So, if you're in Fiji, then you want to be coming and looking up Uto Ni Yalo and to come and have a great experience, either a sunset trip into the Mamanuthas or wherever else they go.